skip, I go straight to it, and that's setting it straight to 10 to 15 liters per minute, but it's not gonna fail you if you do it the way I say, okay, it's just more efficient. Okay, what's the first thing we do with any skill? PPE, BSI. BSI is my scene safe. Next one is I'm gonna gather my equipment, so I'm gonna make sure that I have my bottle, I have my NRB, and I have my regulator. That's it.
Trace.
Do you verbalize gathering the equipment too?
Gathering equipment? Yeah, that's fine. So that's pretty much saying like I got my bottle, my NRB. The first thing I'm gonna do after that is I'm gonna crack this open and I'm gonna close it right away. What that does is that it gets rid of any debris that may be in here, so it's not in the way. I'm gonna close it back up. The next thing is I'm going to connect my regulator to my bottle. Before you guys actually, bless you, before you guys actually connect this to your bottle, make sure that you match up the holes with the prongs. Make sure so you don't look dumb, okay? So I'm gonna make sure I put it on the right side. After that, make sure they actually, the prongs actually go in the hole, right? People bypass that, and then when it's all set, it's lopsided and it looks wrong and it's obvious. It should be like this, flush, perpendicular. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and insert it. Make sure it's nice and tight. After that, I'm gonna open the bottle back up. Before I open the bottle back up, I'm gonna make sure my flow meter is at 0 so I'm not having just oxygen just spilling, okay? So flow meter is at 0. I'm gonna open it back up. This time I'm gonna leave it open. Do not close it when you open it the second time. Okay, that's something that I see some students do. So leave it open. Next, I am going to hook up my NRB to my regulator. At this point, this is where I kind of skip and go down to setting it to 10 to 15 liters per minute. I'm gonna set it to 10 to 15 liters per minute. Put the bottle down for safety. And then I'm gonna pre-fill my reservoir bag. This is your reservoir bag. I'm gonna pre-fill it by pushing down right here on this little flutter valve. When you push down on the flutter valve, all the oxygen that's coming to the mask, instead of escaping through the flutter valve, is going to fill the reservoir bag, okay? Once that is done, I'm gonna put it on my patient. That's the entire skill. I'm gonna go through it one more time without explaining, as you guys should do it, okay? This is what I call a monkey skill. Monkey see, monkey do. You don't even have to think, just do it. If you guys don't have this down in 5 minutes, there's something wrong with you. After I'm done teaching. I'm not being mean, I'm just being honest. Alright, BSI, my scene safe. Scene safe. I'm gonna gather my equipment. I have my bottle, my regulator, and my NRB. I'm gonna crack it open. If you have any debris, close it back up. Just as I'm walking myself through it, it's a good idea for you guys to do too. Walk yourself through it, talk yourself through it. I'm connecting my regulator to my bottle, making sure the ports are on the hole so I don't look stupid. Making sure ports go in the hole. It's nice and tight. Making sure my flow meter is at 0. I'm gonna open this back up. I'm gonna leave it open. One thing I forgot last time is that I'm gonna make sure that I have no leaks, and I'm also gonna make sure that my PSI is in the green or at 2000, okay? I'm gonna connect my NRB. I'm gonna set it to 10 to 15 liters per minute. I'm gonna pre-fill my reservoir bag, it's full. Making sure my NRB is nice and tight on the patient. And I'm done. That took like what, 30 seconds, 1 minute? Okay, you guys should be the same in 5 minutes.